Hello, I'm Kat from the John Hansard Gallery Engagement team, and today we're going to make this lovely bird mask. So you will need one egg box, a pair of scissors, some string, some glue. Any glue will do. I'm very lucky and have a glue gun, but you can use any glue you have. And last but not least, lots of leaves. Now you can get these on your walk or from your garden. Now take your egg box. You need the side that the eggs are kept in, so chop off the lid. And then inside you can see there's the eye and there's the nose. So we're going to cut the egg box in half. And then cut off the excess at the bottom. There you go, that's the shape of the mask. Next we need to cut out the eyes there. You might need some help with this. There's one eye hole there. And there's the other. So there you go, 2 eye holes and a beak. Get all your leaves and get your glue ready. It doesn't matter what glue you use, even sellotape could work. I'm going to use my favourite glue gun. Put some glue on round the edge of the box and start gluing the leaves. I've decided to make mine look like a tawny owl, so I'm going to stick some old fern to the side of the eyes so it will look like those little fluffy ears. Remember to get lots of leaves of different sizes so you can build up the feather look on the front of the mask. There you go, there's my one. Now you need to measure your head, so get some string and put it round and chop off. And then you'll need to put 2 small holes in either side of the egg carton. There's one hole there on the side seam. And do the same on the other side. You might need a grown-up to help you with this. Now I'm going to thread the string through from the outside inside the mask, so into the eye, so it goes like that and through. Then tie a small knot. I'm going to do a double knot to make sure that the string stays in place. And chop off the excess at the end. There you go, put it through. And then making sure that the string is the right length on your head, you're going to do the same. You're going to thread it through on the other side, check it fits on your head, and then hold the string and try and tie a knot so that the string is the correct length for you. Again, a double knot, and cut off the excess. There we go. Now you can pull the string tight and it should be the right size for you. Ta-da! There you have it, a beautiful bird mask. You could paint the beak if you wanted, or you could roll some paper and make a large pointy beak if you're going to make a different type of bird. I'm quite happy with my owl, so I'm going to keep it as it is. There you go, that's how to make a bird mask. Thank you so much, bye!